Hi students, how are you? I am safe here. I hope so. You also safe because of this is the situation of the COVID-19. All are be safe. Stay home and be safe. Okay, student. For your sixth class, 2020 academic year, Government of Andhra Pradesh will use only 12 lessons for your duration. See that students, in that 12 lessons, first lesson, the food we need. That is the first lesson. So students, today we are discussing about that lesson. The food we need. Where can we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Without plants and animals, we cannot survive on the nature. Okay students, every year FAO, this is the venture of UNO. What is the full form of UNO? United Nations Organization. Establishment of United Nations Organization 1945. ILO, WHO, FAO, UNESCO, UNICEF. These are the ventures of the UNO. So one of the most important venture is the FAO. What is the full form of the FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agriculture Organization. The main aim of the FAO, nutrients diet for all. So minimize the wastage of food. Awareness of the food. Wastage of the minimized food. These are the main aim of this FAO. So every year they are giving the one theme. Food and Agriculture Organization 2019 theme is the Zero Hunger. What is the theme of the 2009 FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization Zero Hunger. Okay students, then we find out. Next one, all of you see this picture. See that students? This picture indicates the, anybody observe? This picture indicates the food stocks. This picture indicates the food stocks. So variety of food. In the one of the varieties of food, rice, fish curry, bamboo chicken, ice cream, kheer, vada, potato sticks, ragi sagati, gulab jam, laddu, etc. These are the food items. In that any food item, we can prepare that any food item, we need some ingredients. What is meant by ingredients? What is the meaning of the ingredients? Ingredients are also known as the raw material. That is the meaning. What is meant by ingredients? The substances that are prepared to food. The substances that are prepared to food are known as the ingredients. What are the types of the ingredients? So there are the three types of ingredients. Ingredients from plants. What are the ingredients of the plants? Vegetables, cereals, grains, leafy vegetables. These are the obtained from plants. Next one is the ingredients from animals. Milk, meat, cheese, ghee. These are the obtained from animals. Meat, flesh, etc. Next one, the ingredients from other sources. What are next one? The ingredients from other sources. See, salt. So what salt is obtained from seawater or river water. So these are the various food ingredients. Next one, what are the sources of? Suppose you prepare rice. What are the materials? So which type of ingredients need to prepare that rice? Raw rice, water, bowl. These are the sources of the plant products. Next one is the, before I said no, without plants and animals we cannot survive in the nature. With plants and animals only we can survive in the nature. Next one, fish curry. What are the raw materials needed to prepare fish curry? Fish pieces, tamarind juice, curry leaves, chili powder, onions, tomatoes, Next one is the bamboo chicken. What are the ingredients to prepare the bamboo chicken? Bamboo stick, that is a long piece. Bamboo stick, chicken pieces, chicken masala, chili powder, garlic paste, onion paste, curry leaves. These are the mint leaves. These are the oil, etc. are the important ingredients to prepare bamboo chicken. Bamboo chicken. Next one is the ice cream. What are the important ingredients to prepare ice cream? Ice, water, sugar, milk, and ice cream powder. These are the important ingredients to prepare ice cream. Any food item we need ingredients. Without ingredients we can't prepare any food item. Ingredients are the essential. We can prepare any food item. Next one, the kheer. What are the important ingredients of the kheer? Sevia, sabubiyam, water, milk, sugar, cashew nuts, kismis. These are the important ingredients of kheer. Next one, the vada. What are the important ingredients of the vada? Here there are the two types of vadas are there. Already you know very well vada. One is the by using of the Bengal gram. Bengal gram. In that Bengal gram, oil, water, curry leaves, jeera, etc. are prepared to the that is the masala vada. So at the same time, black gram. By using of the black gram to prepare the vada, that is the another type of vada. So in that both vadas, either the masala vada or the menu vada, both are the same ingredients, but the pulses will be different. Again, potato sticks. What are the ingredients to prepare the potato sticks? Potato pieces, again moldings, chili powder, oil. These are the important ingredients to prepare the potato sticks. Next food item is the Ragi Sangati. This is the famous for Andhra Pradesh. One of the famous food item is the Ragi Sangati. Ragulu, so that means ragi powder. Ragulu powder plus rice, water, rice bowl. These are the important ingredients of the Ragi Sangati. Next is the gulab jam. Next food item is the gulab jam. What are the important raw materials to prepare the gulab jam? Gulab jam powder, oil, sugar solution. So these are the kismis and cashew nuts. These are the important to prepare the gulab jam food item. Next one, last food item. So many food items are there, but I am giving the only some food items and their ingredients and the sources. Already you know very well. Almost all food items are obtained from plants and animals only. See that one. What are the important ingredients of the laddu? Bengal gram powder, sugar, oil, water, etc. These are the, again kismis, cashew nuts, badam, etc. These are the important ingredients of the preparing laddu. So these are the various food items. Next one, ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. So what are the sources of the various food items? See that one. Suppose food item, name of the food item, ingredient, sources. Suppose cooked rice. In that cooked rice, what are the different raw materials? Raw rice. See that one. Raw rice, water, rice bowl. These are the important ingredients to prepare the cooked rice. Next one, sources. These are the raw rice, water, the mineral. Raw rice is there. Sources is the plant. So next one, poison. What are the next food item is the poison? What are the ingredients to prepare the poison? Semiya, sugar, water, cashew nut, kismis. These are the important ingredients of the to prepare the poison. Sources of these are the plants only. Next one, chutney. Here the chutney divides into two types: coconut chutney and groundnut chutney. Suppose we are preparing groundnut chutney. What are the ingredients to prepare the groundnut chutney? Groundnut seeds, green chilies or red chilies, oil, water, a piece of tamarind, jeera, curry leaves, mustard seeds, etc. These are the prepared to the groundnut chutney. Again, we prepare the coconut chutney. What are the important materials needed to prepare the coconut chutney? Coconut pieces, oil, jeera, curry leaves, red chilies or green chilies, etc. are the important raw materials to prepare the chutney. Next one is these are the available in the plant sources only. These are also available in the plant sources. These are obtained from plants only. Next one, chicken curry. What are the important ingredients of the chicken curry? Chicken flesh, bones, chili powder, chicken masala, oil, salt, water, curry leaves, mint leaves. These are the important ingredients of the chicken curry, and these are available in the plants and animals only. These are the available in the plants and animals only. Next, we get the various sources. Suppose we get milk from cows and buffaloes. We get mutton from goat and sheep. We get cheese, ghee, curd, etc. are available in the various types of animals. These are the raw materials. These are the raw materials of the animal products. Again, at the same time, similarly, at the same time, plants also available in the various parts. So we are not eating the whole part of the plant. So we are eating in that specific part. Some plants are using only seeds. Some plants are using only fruits. Some plants are using only stem part. Some plants are using the only root part. So similarly, in that specifically which part are useful to the human being, that part only we are eating. See that student? See that table? Please stop. Okay students, plant parts as food. In that plant, in some plants, whatever it may be, any plant, in that plant, only specific part only we are using. See that one, plant parts as food. Name of the plant, in that plant, which part are eating? See that one, mango plant. In that mango plant, which part are using? Which part are eating? Just only fruit part only eating. We are not eating leaves, we are not eating roots, we are not eating stem. So just we are eating here the fruit part only. Fruit part. Next, mint. In these plants, which part are eating? Only leaves part only. Leaves part only we are eating. We are not eating fruits, we are not eating stem, etc. So next one, sugar cane. In that sugar cane, which part are using? Only stem part. In sugar cane, we are eating only stem part. Next one, the potato. Potato is the, already you know in 4th class, 5th class, potato is the modified stem. So in that potato, which part are eating? Stem part only we are eating. Stem part, that is also known as the tuber. Next, in onion. In onion, which part are using? Only stem part. Only stem part. That stem is also known as the bulb. bulb. Next one is the cauliflower. In that cauliflower, which part are eating? Only flower part are only eating. We are eating the cauliflower, only flower part. We are not eating the roots, leaves, roots, etc. So only flower part of eating. Again, groundnut. In that groundnut, what part we are eating? Only seeds only. So next one, tomato. In the tomato, what part we are eating? Raw fruit. Raw fruit. Next one is the rice. In rice, what we are eating? We are eating roots. We are eating leaves. No, we are eating only seeds. Seed part only we are eating. Next one the green gram. In the same green gram also seed part only we are using eating. Cabbage. Cabbage is green bud. We are eating only in cabbage green bud. Apple. In apple fruit part only we are eating. These are the different types of plants. Which part are using it? Which part are eating in the various way. Next one, the different methods preparing food. Preparation of food is an art. We need any food item. We need to various raw materials. Suppose we are preparing chicken biryani or mutton biryani. We need the various types of methods also important. Preparation of food. So there will be different types of preparing methods are there. See that one, making food, various methods are there. Some food items we are preparing only boiling method. In that boiling method, which food items are preparing? See that one, rice, dal, sambar, rasam, eggs. By using of the boiling method to prepare these food items. Preparation of food item is an art. Some hotels are famous for fish curry. Some hotels are famous for mutton curry. Some hotels are famous for France curry. Like that only we are discussing. Because of that is a preparation of food is an art, and using the various types of food. Preparation method is important. Ingredients are the important taste of the food. Okay, students. Next one, steaming. By using of steaming method, which type of food items are preparing? Idli, avidi kudumu, pittu. So these are the important food items of the steaming method. By using of the steaming method to prepare these food items. Next one of the important method is the fermentation. By using of this method, we preparing the all bakery items, bread, various types of cakes, again jalebi. These food items are preparing by using of the fermentation method. Next method is the roasting. So one of the most important preparation method is the roasting. Chicken, mutton, peas, groundnut. By using of the roasting method to prepare these food items. Next one is the cutting and mixing. Next preparation method is the cutting and mixing. Coconut, curd, chutney, salads, etc. preparing by using of the cutting and mixing. Next one is the deep frying. By using of this method to prepare the food items, especially chicken and fish curry. These are the various important methods to preparation of the various types of food items. Next one is the preservation. So, what is use of the preservation? What is meant by preservation? Without the spoilage of the food. To preserve the food is also known as the preservation. There are the two types of preservatives are there. One is the natural preservatives. Second one is the chemical preservatives. Natural preservatives like chili powder, turmeric powder, oil, salt, etc. These are the natural in our day-to-day life, we are using in the day-to-day life, in our daily menu. So artificial preservatives like benzoates, sulfates, nitrates, these are the artificial preservatives. These preservatives are the harmful to the health. So remaining natural preservatives are the harmless of the health. So which type of food items to preserve the various types of food items? Suppose we are preserving the pickles. What we need? Oil is the important, salt is the important, turmeric powder is the important, chili powder is the important. So again, coriander powder is the important. These are the important preservatives to preserve the pickles. So next one, to preserve the various food items. These are students type of preservatives. Examples: by using of adding salt, chili powder, oil, salt, etc. So which type of food item are preserving? Pickles: mango pickle, lemon pickle, tomato pickle, ginger pickle. So various types to preserve these preservatives by using of these preservatives to preserve the various types of pickles. Second one is the add only salt. Food is spoiled. Those are eating spoilage food. They are suffering with the abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Sometimes it may lead to death also. So students, without the spoilage food, don't eat the spoilage food. Avoid the junk foods. Avoid the fast foods. These are the dangerous and these are the causes of the gastrointestinal diseases. Okay, this you keep in your mind to avoid that one. Next one, how do people develop food habits? So we are living in those are living in the one continent area. They are sharing their food habits and cultures. So we are living in the tropical region. Andhra Pradesh is this tropical region. In this region, in this geographical and climatic conditions are paddy is the suitable crop of the Andhra Pradesh. Why paddy is the suitable crop of the Andhra Pradesh? Only because of the irrigation, means water facility. Next, clayey soil. Again, atmospheric condition, geographical and climatic conditions are suitable for growing paddy crop. So that's why farmers are cultivating in the more acres, more hectares to cultivating the paddy crop. So Andhra Pradesh is the rice bowl of India to produce the more rice crop, paddy crop. So because of the climatic condition and cultivating the more and suitable soil also, these are the important methods of the rice. So next one, not only rice, we are preparing. So rice is the main food item of the Andhra Pradesh people. So different types of states, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, these are the entirely different. So how it possible? This is the Andhra Pradesh is the main food item is the rice. Rajasthan main food item is the chapati. Maharashtra rotis, like this only because of their adapted climatic conditions, geographically climatic conditions. The climatic conditions are referred to the various food type of food and culture. So that is the difference. Again, we have to eat some other cereals like finger millets. These are one of the most important and valuable crop of the finger millets is also known as the ragulu. So ragi sangeeti is famous for Andhra Pradesh. So these ragulu, by using of in rural areas, especially one super item. This is one of the most important crop. Nowadays, farmers are thinking commercial crops, and these are they are giving the finger millets. This is one of the most important, most valuable nutrients food. Finger millets. Finger millets is also known as the ragi. Next one is the finger millets. So this is the finger millets is also known as the sabjalu. This is also one of the most important nutrients food. Next one is the great millets. So great millets is also known as the jonalu. This is also one of the most important and valuable food and nutritious food. Next one, fox-tailed millets. Fox-tailed millets are also known as the pakalu. This is also one of the important nutritious food. Next one, the proso millets. Proso millets is also known as the samalu. These millets are very important, good for health and hygiene. So nowadays students are whatever all members, we don't eat this food, we can't this food, like this are suffering. Why you are introducing this lesson? What is the main aim of this lesson? So this is the age of growth. Okay students, so you eat all food without junk food, fast foods available. Remaining all foods are important. So like important means carbohydrates food, protein food, minerals, vegetables, leafy vegetables, all types of nutrients, all types of food components must should do daily to maintain the daily menu. Okay students, don't waste your food. Don't waste food. Food is the annam parabrahma swarupam. Please don't waste food in our society. Most of the people in our society starving without food. So, but at the same time, many people wasting the food by cooking large quantities and throwing away at the time of festivals, at the time of occasions, special occasions. So, dear students, as a responsible citizen to minimize the wastage of food. So this is the according to UNDP, United Nations Development Program, 40% of the food is wasted in India, especially. According to UNDP, 40% of the food is wastage.